Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now by confirming prerequisites: game patched, controller working, and a safe backup of your save. Once done, load the save nearest the target region and fast travel to the indicated entry point. Make sure to equip a reliable sword and shield and boost stamina with food. You need to move quickly through the opening area, so prioritize stealth and light encounters. Avoid long fights. As you approach the landmark, note any environmental clues like symbols or torch placement. You now progress through the middle, where timing and sequence matter most. You will match symbol patterns on walls and flip switches in a specific order. Do these steadily, watching for reset triggers. Once a panel unlocks, move through the corridor within the timing window, sprint and ledge grab when the closing walls start to converge. While doing this, manage resources, heal between puzzle segments, and save consumables for a final encounter. If a path locks, backtrack one room and re-trigger the nearest mechanism. Patience pays off. You reach the final chamber. Position yourself exactly on the marked plate and place each key or item into its slot in the prescribed order. Once the mechanism hums, perform the final input. This is often a button sequence or timed parry, so wait for the visual cue before committing. After the door opens, step through immediately to lock the trigger. If nothing happens, a reliable troubleshooting step is to reload the previous save, check inventory for missing items, and repeat the last two steps slowly to ensure triggers register.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.